the beginning!
Show yourself to me, Faustus, and I will open more than your eyes.
Such ferocious spirit. You truly are your mother's child, Hunter.
We will stoke the fires of hell with your soul. It is time.
I am impressed. Hail that!
For Hydra. For Hydra. A reputation precedes us. You know what to do.
Lilith must be...
The last thing we need is for that pompous buffoon to win today. Stop that chopper, please.
With pleasure. Lilith herself could not best me. What makes you think you will fare any better?
About time.
Now that was something.
Elaborate service. Vengeance fears no one. I'll handle it.
Our loyal soldiers aren't the simple punching bags you've come to expect, are they? Somehow these humans, these mere mortals, dare to stand against ye fearsome gods. All is possible with Mother!
more like myself every day.
That should keep them grounded. Now let's get everything back to the Abbey for analysis.
Such arrogance. Our brave soldiers will never allow you.
Oh, shut up already. Take them down.
Walk in the light. The advantage is mine.
We will not fail! No retreat! Hell never forgets a face!
No issues to report.
It's your turn! Keep an eye on that one.
Save this one just like
Your power is unnatural.
I'm on it.
Leave some for the rest of us.
Hydra, Immortalis!
I've been waiting for this.
My power wanes.
Take this.
You're on the move. Not good. Not good. Vengeance has come.
That guy wins. Interesting. You asked for it.
Well done. Seems like that's the last of them.
Last. There are more heads to the Hydra than you will ever comprehend, heroes. This is a minor setback at most.
Well, at least we don't have to listen to you any longer today. I consider that alone a victory. Well done. If Hydra wasn't paying attention before, they are now. Stay sharp.
Count on it.
Fine, speak.
Feeling a chill, Magic?
You could say that. I've been staring at the night sky trying to figure it out.
Figure what out?
You're observant, Hunter. You tell me.
You were trying to figure out how to bring Wanda back.
Close, Hunter. But no. Something much more sinister has grabbed my attention.
Sinister?
When I was holding the trans-dimensional door for you back there, I sensed something was at the docks with you. Something dark and familiar.
What did you see, Ileana?
I did not see, I said. I sensed something there. But that's not the only thing I sensed today.
Oh?
Something has shifted in Limbo, but I cannot quite put my finger on it. All I know is that whatever is happening is also strangely familiar to me. And when all you knew was darkness and despair growing up, that warm, fuzzy feeling of familiarity is not just a warning sign.
We should inform the others of any potential danger.
Warn them of what? One of Magic's airy-fairy gut feelings? The Avengers are already unsure of us. Best not say anything until I am better able to articulate it. I'd like to be left to my thoughts now, Hunter. I still have a lot of thinking to do. I will let you know if I do.